everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm here and I'm going to be opening the new iPad Air. This iPad is the 4th generation and it has 256 gigabytes with an A14 chip, just like the iPhone 12. I got this, I pre-ordered this, but I wanted an engravement on it, so I got one, so that's why it came a little bit late today, but we're going to open it anyways. I'm super excited. Let's start. Alright, here it is. We're gonna open it now. Oh my god, wait, am I opening this right? Okay, yeah, I just need to get it on the edges so that I can buy box. Oh my gosh, wait, I don't want to break this right away. Okay, wait, can I get this out? Yes. Whoa, look at this. So, by the way, I forgot to mention, I got it in rose gold. It's gonna be super, super nice color. What should we start with first? Let's start with this. So I'm pretty sure this is, yeah, this is just some pieces of paper, which I don't need right now at all. You know what, let's go through this later. I don't need this. This is the charger, which we're gonna open later. Let's just peel. Okay. And I don't know if I'm doing this correctly. Bye. Wow, look at this. It has such a nice color. It's so nice. Look at the color. It's rosy gold. It's so shiny and clean. It has, I think, one camera right here. And it has these little three dots. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. And I'm already getting the screen dirty. Yay. So let me say. So the power button is on the top. Right there, that's the power button. And on the sides, right at the very, very top, is where you can turn the volume up and down. By the way, this does not have Face ID. It is a fingerprint up at the power button. So that's how this one works. Let's take a quick glance at the iPad Pro. So we have two right here, and as you can see, they're similar in size. I think this one's a little bit smaller than the iPad Pro, but let's just place them on top of one another. It's so tiny, it can fit in the same exact case. It's like almost the exact same size. We have two of them right here, and they look so pretty compared to each other. This one has such a nice color. I did an engraving on it. The engraving is up here. If you want to get one, you don't get to pick where it is. It just goes up here. And this is what it looks like. I want to turn it on. So here's what it looks like. That's what the back looks like. Let's just, I'll get this. So here are two of the colors compared to each other. This one is silver and this one's rose gold. And as you can see, they look exactly the same from the back, except for the colors, obviously. Like this looks the same design exactly. It looks so good. It has like oh, one thing I noticed just now was that this one has a bigger power button than this one, and there's like an outlining on it, which is really hard to see in the camera. But this one has a bigger power button. Okay, yeah, so that's one difference that I noticed. Let's take a look at this one. Here's what they look like side by side. And this one can fit in the case of this one. So we're gonna test the case out. Let me just grab. So let's see if it can fit in the keyboard case. I'm just gonna place it in. Here we go. Oh, it can fit. So you can see it can fit in. So if you have the iPad Pro and you want to get this iPad Air, you don't want to buy another case, do you? Just use this one. And you see, it fits perfectly. It's like the same size, basically. It looks really good. So this one's 10.9 inches, and the iPad Pro is 10.9 inches as well. I'm turning it on. Oh, it turned on! I'm so excited. Clicky. Okay, here it is. It's turning on. Okay, so you can see it turned on. And I can just change the settings so you can see how the screen looks super, super nice. It has the nice colors and it's very clear to see. Very, very nice colors. So the Apple Pen 2 works on the iPad Air. So if you want to use your Apple Pen 2, you can use it on this one if you ever get it. And also this screen has a normal 60 hertz, which the iPad Pro has 120 hertz. So the iPad Pro is much smoother, but this one has an A14 chip, so it's a little bit faster. And I'm gonna personalize it later, so it's gonna be mine. So I got an ESR case, and I also got screen protector, but I don't know where it is right now. But this is what the case looks like, and I'm just gonna put it on my iPad. It looks really, really nice. I got it in rose gold because obviously my iPad is rose gold, so we're gonna put it in. We're gonna see how it looks like. I think it's gonna look very, very nice, and I'm super excited to be using this iPad. Okay, almost done. Okay, I got it on the case, or in the case, and as you can see, you can see it over here. Hello. We can place it to play. Oh my god, that's not how you do it. We can place it to play like videos. Here you go. So watch this video on this iPad after it's done. Ha ha ha. But if you guys want to get one. It's really good. It's really nice. I really like it. I think it's perfect. Oh, I didn't put the case on all the way. Oops. Okay, that's one. But I'm super excited, and I guess that's it for this video. So bye. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.